independent boat yard, St. Thomas. The boat is getting hauled out of the water today. We already took the mast off and we took the engine out. Now they're getting ready to haul the boat. Got the engine here, back of the truck. And mast and boom. YouTubing the shit out of this. Again, we got Big Sexy over there, owner of Adventure Scuba, St. Thomas. If you ever want to book a scuba adventure, he's your man. I knew it was small. It looks really fucking small. So excited. After they finished pulling the boats out of the water here, they did a pressure wash. Although I'm madly surprised on the fucking growth. It's a good 3 months since we had it, and there was very little growth on this paint. Although the paint just comes right the fuck off.